So about question 11, they give you a frequency table like this, and then very important thing is you should able to interpret this table very accurately. If you understand this one, you better write down, okay, 0 is the result, is the response. 0 appear k times. 1 appear 2 times. 2 appear 9 times. 3 appears 6 times, and 4 appears 7 times. Now you need to think about k can be some other number, but we have some constraint. The constraint is the mode must be 2. That means the most common result must be 2, 9 times. So in other words, that means k cannot be larger than 9. Otherwise, the mode will become 0, but not 2. So it gives some possible range of k. Just make sure that this is larger than k. Maybe no appear can't be negative. The frequency can't be negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is still fine. But if it's become 9, then we not only have one mode, but we have 2. So this is impossible. It is not 9. And be very careful about that. They give you that k is a positive integers. Without this sentence, k can be 0. But with this sentence, that means we have to reject this result. So among this possibility, we are going to choose the least possible value. So the answer of A1 is equal to 1. And we finish A2 also is because it can become 9. Otherwise, we not only have one mode but 2. So the largest possible value of k is 8. We already get 2 marks here. So part B1, you need to imagine we list out the data like this in order. So maybe we have 0, 0, 0 k times, and then 1 we appear 2 times, and then 2 appear 9 times, something like that, and 3 appear 6 times, and 4 appear 7 times. A very important thing is if we have more k, that means more 0 response, the response which is 0, then it will move it like this, right? And how about if I need to keep the median to be 2? So maybe the median originally here. If more k, then we push the data. So 2 need to be median. And then we have some 2 here. And this one must not be 2, but must be 1 here. The arrangement is like this. A very important thing is if we don't count the middle 2 to be a median, how many data in right hand side? And it gives us idea how many data in left hand side, because this is symmetric, and that's the meaning of median. So in this case, extreme case 1, here we have 2 original, we have 9. We already placed 2 in the middle, so 8, 2 here. So we have 8 times, and then plus 3 appears 6 times, and then we plus 7 times, which is 4. So together here, we know that there are 8 plus 6 plus 7 data. That means 21 response here. To make it become median, there should be 21 also. And this is k times plus 1 appear 2 times. So that means k plus 1 equal to 21. So in that case, k plus 2 should equal to 21. So the largest possible value is 19. Okay, this one is the largest possible value of k, so it's not b1 but b2 here. We go back to p1. Similar reason. To make 2 be the median, we may think about k here squeeze to the minimum values. So 2 here and some other 2 here. And here become 3 already. And 4. So that 2 is still the median. And then we have 1 here and 0 here. And then we are going to count how many data in right hand side, which represent how many data in left hand side also. Here we have 6 times 3 and then plus 7 appear 7 times. So we have in total 13 in right hand side. In left hand side we have k and then plus 2 times and then plus 2. We use 1 2 only, so still 8 here placed in the left. So 8 times. So from this we know k plus 2 plus 8 should equal to 13. That means the least possible is 3. So in this case, the data squeezed to left hand side, so k plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 13. So k is equal to 3. The least possible value of k is 3. So in part C, we need to find out the mean. They tell us some information which is about the mean. So don't forget that mean the total value of data divided by the total number of data. That means the frequency. To do this, the mean is given, which is 2. And then the total number of data is 0 appear k times, plus 1 appear 2 times, plus 2 appear 9 times, 3 appear 6 times, and 4 appear 7 times. And then the total number is k plus 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7. So it is just simply give you the relation, and you find out the equation with only k as the only unknown, so you can solve it. Here is 66, and then what below is k plus 24. 2 k is equal 11, and this makes sense because k is some integer. That's how you get this question.